We have a 2022 Kia Stinger right here. The customer came through prior and got a resonator delete and a muffler delete. Let's check this out. This is where we did the resonator delete a few months ago. Check that out. And the muffler delete right here and over here. The issue today though is that the customer came in with a new diffuser off a 2022 Stinger. That's what he mentioned, and he's trying to put on some tips. But the only issue is that it's gonna cost a little bit more money because we have to run two Y pipes. One right here for the Y and then one right here. That way the tips could fit in this new diffuser. We can't just put single tips or run two pipes or anything like that. So he might have to dremel it out, but it'll be back. But we're gonna let you hear it anyway.